Talk about it.
Should I turn the music off?
No.
I'm just peeling off skins right now. I'm taking the paint off the painting table, just like this, and gluing it down with gel medium. And see if I can pull off some more pieces off the table here. Oh, here's another piece. Just peel it off the table, old paint, and gluing it right into the piece with gel medium. You can wipe away some of the glue. This is what it looks like when you wipe the glue away. Now let it dry and do some negative shade painting like this. Do some negative shade painting. The brush. Sorry. Thank you. Sorry. My fault. Here we go. Sorry.
You know, I got on your...
That's all right.
Let me look.
No, they're fine. They're fine. They're fine. Let it go. It'll evaporate. Yep. Let it evaporate.
Just leave it?
Uh-huh. Yeah, you're fine. You're fine.
Be careful, there's alcohol spilled over.
Well, you're drinking. Oh, you're doctoring them up a little bit.
No, now I'm doing negative shade painting.
Oh.
I'm going to take a picture of that bicycle.
These are my Circus Birds costumes.
Watch out for the alcohol mark. I don't want it to slip.
There we go. Then, yeah, it's dangerous up here, isn't it?
I'm right behind you.
It's alcohol. Yes, well, I happened to open it just as it came over to the edge here.
It's fun.
The whole thing.
It's a great way to use up
Oh,
the paints that are already on the table. You used it up, so you don't waste anything. It's on the table. It's paint. It's acrylic paint. I'm going to use it. Here's another one.
Hey, just look here.